Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gardening for Happiness. This is beautiful evergreen houseplant known as arrowhead plant because its leaves are like head of the arrow. It is also called goosefoot. This species is native to wide region of America from Mexico to Bolivia. Its scientific name is Syngonium podophyllum. This is beautiful, simple, elegant and versatile houseplant. It is very easy to look after in our homes because it has unruly nature and tendency to creep quietly around its pot. It is having amazing foliage with a variety of different variegation on the leaves. The pruning is needed to keep this plant living indoors to avoid ugly look. Its versatility is that it can be grown easily as compact bushy looking plant. A young leaves give you arrowhead shape with strong bold variegation. But as leaves get older, it change shape to give a lobed fish. You can see in plant. These plants do best where they receive good light. With no direct sunlight, you can put this plant a pot in semi shade area also, so it can grow much better in that area. The soil needs to be evenly moist. Overwatering is very dangerous to this plant also. When you water, humidity is important because very dry air will encourage brown leaf crisping, so it makes the plant ugly. This house plant needs to be at the heart of your home because it demands warmth. If growth has stopped, repot your plant into a bigger pot during spring season using any standard compost mix. Its propagation is very easy. You can root cuttings in water or straight into potting compost. Both methods have a good success rate providing you cut the right part the plant to get started. You want a new growth shoot that either has one or two leaves. Syngonium grows steadily for years providing good conditions. These plants grown with no height support won't grow very tall. This plant is rarely troubled by pests. It is very low price to buy this plant. Syngonium is considered a little toxic to most pets because calcium oxalates found in the plant's sap. Consuming the leaves can result in oral irritation. Although having these side effects, researchers from NASA and other organizations have approved this plant as an air purifier. Syngonium absorbs pollutants into their leaves and the toxins go to the root zone where they are transformed into nutrients for the plant. So arrowhead plant can be grown alone or in mixed planting for additional interest or in water. Overall, I can say that arrowhead plant or syngonium plant, care and propagation is quite easy for anyone. So if you liked my video, so subscribe and like it. Thank you for watching my video.